Good morning, this is Around the House with Kay and Tom. This morning I am just going to fix a grape salad. I have some green seedless grapes. I've got some red grapes, seedless grapes. You will need 8 ounces of cream cheese. I've got it out of the pack. I'm trying to get it softened up a little bit. You need a half a cup of sour cream, a fourth a cup of sugar, 1 teaspoonful of vanilla extract, and the topping is going to be brown sugar, which is a half a cup, and a cup of crushed up toasted pecans. We're going to put it in just a 2-quart casserole dish. No cooking with this, just put it together. So we need to blend the cream cheese. Okay, now I have my cream cheese in my bowl. We're going to use half a cup of sour cream. Put that in there with the cream cheese. We need a half a cup of sugar. Add that right on in there. 1 teaspoonful of vanilla extract. And you need to blend all of this together. Okay, I've got my red grapes and my green grapes. And then we spread our mixture over the grapes. It says completely, so do the best you can. Alright, I have a half a cup of brown sugar, and I have a cup of pecans that I am going to, you can either chop them up or crush them up. The easiest way to do it is in a Ziploc bag to get the air out. And just take an old-fashioned rolling pin. And it does not take much to get them crushed up. You can chop them up if you'd rather have them chopped up. But I like them this is just so easy just to get this done. Okay, I have my pecans chopped up, crushed up. I'm going to put them on just a sheet pan and put them in my Ninja and cook them we're going to toast them for just a few minutes. Just watch them. You don't need to toast them long. I put them on some parchment paper and just spreaded them out just a little bit. And if you see some that's not crushed, you can break them up right quick. And we're going to toast them for just a few minutes. Okay, I'm going to take my brown sugar and I'm just going to sprinkle my brown sugar on top of this, on the cream cheese, sour cream, vanilla flavoring, and my grapes. And we're just going to take our pecans and just sprinkle them around. Now I toasted these about 2.5 minutes, and I saw that they were getting brown, so I took them out. All done. Now you have a grape salad. Put it in the refrigerator and let it chill for a couple of hours. I'm going to take it to a thing tonight, and this is what we're going to have for salad. Around the House with Kay and Tom. Hope you enjoyed this video. Offer me your comments and come back to see me. This is what it looks like when it's completed. Now I'm going to put it in the refrigerator and let it chill.